wanna be one of my boys?
Yes, daddy.
You want me to suck your pussy out the niggas? Say slut me the niggas. Say slut me the niggas. Say please slut me the niggas. Say I want niggas. Say give me niggas, daddy.
Give me niggas, daddy. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got that quiet. Don't you fucking. I don't give a fuck.
Si Joel Villanueva was dismissed from public service noong 2016 at pinatawan ng perpetual absolute disqualification from public service dahil sa 10 million na PDAP scandal. Yung pondo, pinadaan sa isang bogus na NGO at wala namang proyektong nangyari. In other words, it was a ghost project. Ombudsman Martirez did assume office and transparency greatly suffered. Hindi lang pala access to SAL and ng public officials ang pinahirapan ni Ombudsman Martirez. Apart from so many questionable decisions na alam natin, yung iba, secret